I do think it works against companies when they make the ads too subtle. Like I remember when Musk took over Twitter, and the ads just were just like seamlessly blending in with your timeline. And I'm looking at some of them, I'm just thinking, who the hell is this person? I have no clue who this person is. Why are they on my timeline? And then you're like looking around for like an ad, and there's just like a tiny little A in the corner. And it's just you can't do that. It's just you feel like you've been tricked, and that annoys you, or you feel like you've been conned, and then you get more disgruntled with the product. So I think being open and honest is definitely the best way to go.
With it's interesting that you mentioned to circle back to the social media again. Um, it's interesting that you mentioned like the ads thing on Twitter, on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. When you scroll past, you will see these short. When you scroll on the reels and shorts, sorry, you will see these ads that pop up. They take up the screen just exactly as like a normal short would. Um, and they do say that they are sponsored or an ad in the bottom left corner on Facebook. I think on YouTube it says sponsored above the video title, like at the bottom.
Yeah,
However, if you just casually browse, you might not even know that's a thing. On YouTube, when it's like in the full player on desktop, it's so obvious that it's an ad because it has a yellow play thing. It has skip ad on it most of the time. It tells you when the ad's going to finish, but that's not the case on YouTube Shorts. And then additionally on Facebook, what it says is like if you're in the middle of watching like a reel or
yeah,
I can't even remember what it's called. I think it's called reels. When are in the middle of it, at the bottom left corner, it will show you like a circle and it says ad starting soon. But with these shorts and reels and whatever, you can scroll past to the next one. So it doesn't seem like a very effective way of advertising to me. But you know,
yeah.
people might have a different opinion on it.